Breaking the bank. Unraveling the meaning. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English phrases and idioms, making them easy and fun to learn. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might have heard but not fully understood: break the bank. So, grab your notebooks, and let's unravel the mystery behind this intriguing expression together. Break the bank refers to spending all of one's money on something, or in a broader sense, causing a significant financial loss. However, it's not all doom and gloom. This phrase is often used in a variety of contexts, sometimes lightheartedly, to talk about expenses that are large but not necessarily catastrophic. It's about the impact of a purchase or expense that stretches or exceeds one's budget, leading to a temporary financial strain. The phrase, break the bank, has its roots in gambling. It originally meant winning more money than what was available in the gambling house's reserve. Over time, its usage expanded beyond the world of gambling to describe any situation where expenses could significantly deplete one's financial resources or savings. To help you understand how to use break the bank in real-life conversations, let's look at some examples. 1. Planning a party. I want to throw a memorable birthday party for my best friend without having to break the bank. 2. Holiday shopping. I managed to buy gifts for everyone on my list and didn't break the bank this Christmas. 3. Making purchases. While that designer dress is stunning, it's definitely going to break the bank. Notice how the phrase can be used to express concern over high costs, or relief at avoiding excessive spending. Understanding synonyms and related phrases can broaden your vocabulary. Here are a few. Spend a fortune, cost an arm and a leg, go for broke, splurge. Each of these expressions can convey the idea of spending a lot of money, but their nuances can slightly differ, enriching your English communication. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning, origin, and usage of the phrase, break the bank. Whether you're budgeting for a big event or simply trying to navigate everyday expenses, understanding such phrases can make learning English both rewarding and enjoyable. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating phrases with you in our next video. Happy learning, and remember, mastering English is all about practice and patience.